So this is how you make a visual list of recommendations for a customer looking for recommendations. I like to call it a list of recommendations rather than a wish list just because I think it sounds better. So you'll go over to my account and then you'll go to add wish list. This is for customer Julia Brand. Okay. And then you will link it to the party. This is actually someone's launch, so I'm not going to link it at all. Then I'll just save it, and then you go all the way to the very end of your consultant created wish list, and there it is. You'll click on Edit Book Details, and then you'll go over to the search bar, and this person wants recommendations for books about diversity for a 4.5-year-old. So I'm going to start with Little Artists. This is for younger kids, but it does kind of touch on diversity without mentioning it. So I'm going to add that one. And then, so I take this image and I drag it over to here. And then I'll add it to the wish list. Continue shopping. Next, I'm going to go with Jessica's Box, which is perfect. Okay, and you can't drag this image because this is what happens. It just brings over a web link. You don't want a web link. So you'll click on the image and then you'll drag that over. And then you'll add it to your wish list. And we'll keep going. Now I'm going to go for Boy. Just do this here. Boy is about a child who is deaf and doesn't understand why there's war going around. Next I'm going to go with Here and There. If you ever need help with these recommendations, you can always go to the Thrive Product Knowledge page. That group is amazing for recommendations. So all I'm doing is selecting books one by one, and then I add them to the wish list, and then I'll show you what I do from there. Then I'm going to do Ava's Spectacular Spectacles. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to take the image over, add it to the wish list. Then I'll continue shopping, and I'm going to go with Babies Come from Airports. Kind of touches on the fact that you can have a family member of any race, and they're still family. And I think that's good. So I'm going to add this to the cart, and then what you will do is you'll scroll down to the bottom, and this link right here is a shareable link. So you'll copy this, copy, and then just, oh, I had more than just the 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay, nope, that's it. So then you've copied that link. You'll go back to your Facebook page and write in the comments, you're going to tag the person. Oops. If I could just spell. Touching on. And then you're going to paste that link so that they can go right to the link and look at all the books in list form. But important, you want to X out right here. Because if you don't X that out, then you cannot take all of your book images and drag them over. So say you have like 10 books that you're putting in a recommendations list, and you want to really catch their eye. Facebook will only show the first 5 pictures. So you would want to move images to the front. I only have 5 to show for this particular topic, so it doesn't matter. But if I had 10 books I would want to move the 5 of my favorites to the front here. And then you simply post it, and this is how it will look. And there it is. It shows all 5.